Hi guys, welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make spicy salmon sushi without rolling. It has been a few months since we last enjoyed sushi, so now I figured why not try to make it at home. Kaya, are you guys ready? Let's get started! So the ingredients that we need are salmon, and ito yung specific kind na ginagamit para sa sashimi. We also have Sushi Rice, and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung brand na ginagamit ko. It's this one, Nishiki, and you can find it in your Asian supermarket. And then you can just follow the directions on how to cook sushi rice. Okay, we're gonna also use kewpie. This is the Japanese mayo. We're also gonna use furikake for our seasoning. We're gonna use panko breadcrumbs. This is also known as Japanese breadcrumbs. This is different from regular breadcrumbs that we find on the grocery store. And then cut up nori sheets or seaweed sheets. We also need sriracha sauce or hot sauce. We need sugar. We need salt, rice vinegar, and para magkaroon ng konting kick pa yung ating sushi, medyo i-level up natin yung spice, we're gonna use red pepper flakes. Okay, so this is our bowl. We're gonna mix in our rice vinegar. So all the ingredients and measurements will be listed on the description box below. So we have rice vinegar. We're gonna put a little bit of sugar, tiny bit of salt, and then we're just gonna mix it. Okay, ihahalo natin itong tatlong ingredients na to with our sushi rice. So after nating magawa yung ating mixture for our sushi rice, we can include it to our rice, and then we'll just give it a good mix para mahalo siyang mabuti sa ating rice. Alright, so once na mahalo na natin yung ating mixture with our rice, pwede na tayong maglagay ng ating furikake. Just mix it in with your rice like that para ma-season pa yung ating rice para mas masarap. Let's put a little bit more. Okay. So once na nahalo natin, I'll just set this aside and then we'll work on our sauce for our salmon sashimi. We'll mix in our sriracha sauce and our kewpie mayonnaise. So ang ratio nito is about 1:1. So I have about 3 tablespoons of sriracha here. And then I'll also put 3 tablespoons of kewpie mayonnaise. And then we'll just mix them together. So, ginagamit natin yung Japanese mayo kasi mas malasa siya compared to regular American or Canadian mayonnaise. Kasi meron siyang a little bit of MSG, I think, from what I read. So, ayan. So, imimix ko lang siya. So, mix lang until it's well incorporated. So, if you want it to be more spicy, you can add a little bit more of sriracha, or you can opt in for red pepper flakes. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Yan. So guys, ito na yung ating mixture. Napagsama ko na yung sriracha and the mayonnaise. And then now, ihahalo na natin siya sa ating salmon sashimi. So here is our sashimi. So ihahalo lang natin. If you want it to be really creamy, then you can add more sauce. If naman gusto nyo lang yung parang hindi siya masyadong saucy, then pwede namang konti lang ang ilagay nyo. So this really depends on your palate. We're gonna assemble our sushi, and we don't have to roll, so we just need a pan, and then we're gonna put in our rice. Okay. And then ifa-flatten lang natin siya hanggang sa maging even na siya at makuha niya na yung shape ng ating pan. Ma-mold na siya dun sa shape ng ating pan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay na siya. And then, we'll put in our salmon. Sa top. You just have to spread it just like how we did it with our rice. Ito na yung pangalawang layer natin. So we have our sushi rice, and then we have our salmon sashimi, and then mag-i-sprinkle lang uli ako ng konting furikake on top. Our last layer will be our breadcrumbs, our panko breadcrumbs. So ito yung magbibigay ng crunch pag kinain natin yung ating sushi. So, literally, ang pangalan talaga nito is Spicy Salmon Sushi Crunch. Yan. Super dali lang niyang gawin. And, ang iluluto nyo lang talaga basically is yung sushi rice. Okay guys, so ready na ang ating Spicy Salmon Sushi and Crunch. And titikman na natin siya. So, how you eat this, you need kutsara or spoon, and then you will scoop it. Just like that. And then, take your nori sheet or your seaweed, and then, ayan. Okay guys, so titikman na natin yung ating ginawa. So, balot lang natin, ganyan. Guys, super sarap niya. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. So, that's it for our video today, guys. Hopefully, nagustuhan ninyo ang ating recipe for today. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my auntie, Marivic. Happy birthday. And I hope you have more blessings to come. And again, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you guys again. Bye!